In this video, you will mainly learn Japanese basic pronunciation, which includes the contracted sounds, double consonants, long vowels, and drop vowels. In the first part, you will learn about contracted sounds. Contracted sounds are transcribed from the second column of the hiragana chart, which is the red rectangular column I mark here. And except for the first I, small ya, you follow after letters in the second column. For example, ki with the small ya, you follow after, the pronunciation becomes kya, kyu. But for shi, chi, and ji, the y is not pronounced. Instead, it is pronounced as sha, shu, sho, cha, chu, cho, and ja, ju, jo. The same goes for katakana. Contracted sounds are transcribed from the second column of the katakana chart. But we do not have to memorize these contracted sounds. What important is, you need to learn and memorize all these hiragana and katakana. After you master them, you will definitely know how to write and pronounce the contracted sounds. In the second part, you will learn about double consonants. A small z is used when transcribing double consonants. I will explain further, but let's start with some examples. Katta, won. Zashi, magazine. Kappu, cup. Saka, soccer. This table shows a comparison between normal z and small z. For the normal one, just pronounce it as z, while for the small z, it is added to double the consonant after it. For example, katta. The small z is added between the ka and ta, and the ta, the t consonant is doubled. So when you pronounce it, you should make a slight pause between ka and ta. Katta. For double consonants n, it is written with n and a hiragana with an initial n sound. The pronunciation, for example, sannen, 3 years. Annai, guide. Here comes to the third part, which you will learn long vowels. When the same vowel is placed one right after the other, the pronunciation of the vowel becomes about twice as long as the single vowel. Be sure to hold the sound long enough because the length of the vowel can change one word to another. For example, Oba-san means grandmother, but Oba-san, without pronouncing the long vowel, the meaning becomes aunt. Oji-san means grandfather, but Oji-san means uncle. Yuki means courage. Yuki means snow. That's the difference. Long vowels e and o are slightly different in the writing. The long e sound is usually transcribed by adding an I to an e vowel hiragana. For example, eiga, movie. But in few words like onee-san, elder sister, is transcribed with e. The long o sound has also similar case. It is usually transcribed by adding an u to an o vowel hiragana. For example, kooko, high school. However, there are few words like to, can is transcribed with a. In katakana, long vowels are simpler in written form. Just add a long dash and done. The pronunciation, for example, car, car. Keiki, cake. Board, ball. The last part, you will learn the drop vowels. The vowels I and U a drop when placed between an end of voiceless consonants K, S, T, P, H. The pronunciation, for example, 好きです、好きです。I like it. テスト、テスト。has あります、あります。There is.